Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the software and hardware communicate. Open Razer Synapse, then launch the Thx Spatial audio app. Sign in if prompted. Connect your headset via USB or the analog jack and verify Windows lists it as an audio device. Once done, set that device as the default playback output in sound settings so games and apps route audio correctly. This prevents misrouting and ensures the Thx engine can process sound from the very first app you open. You now tailor the spatial profile to match what you hear and why it matters. Choose a preset such as game, movie, or music. These apply different HRTF and reverb curves. Then manually tweak distance, width, and elevation so sounds feel correctly placed, wider for open-world games, tighter for competitive shooters. Make sure virtual surround is enabled for multi-channel simulation, or pick stereo refocus when listening to two-channel tracks. These adjustments reduce localization errors and improve positional cues. You finish by validating settings and handling common problems. Run a calibration track or use an in-game sound test to confirm footsteps and gunfire place correctly. Toggle presets while listening to spot the best match. If audio sounds hollow or distorted, disable other audio enhancements or exclusive mode in Windows to prevent processing conflicts. For persistent issues, reinstall the Thx app, update your audio drivers, and reboot. That clears corrupted settings and restores proper HRTF processing, so spatial cues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.